Today, we will demonstrate the all keys lost programming for Mercedes-Benz W169 EIS by Bench. Preparation needed. Keymaster G3, 12 volts power supply. Main cable, Bench AV3, clone jumper. C405, C404, MP001 programmer. Mercedes-Benz gateway, Mercedes-Benz W169 EIS. Mercedes-Benz car key. Upgrade the software to the latest version. Select IMO, Benz. Manual select chassis. Program keys, FBS3, by Bench. Tap guide. Identify the EIS type according to the diagram. Choose all keys lost. Open the operation guide and carefully read the steps and precautions. Step 1. Read Pincode. Pincode collection. Tap on Pinout. Make the connection according to the diagram. Follow the device prompts to connect the C405 module and the diagnostic tool to the MP001 programmer. Insert the C405 into the EIS. Wait for the system to collect data. The device will automatically parse out the PIN code of the key. Step 2. Generate B-key file. Select Method 1. Read EIS IMO data. Check the wiring diagram. Remove the C405 cable. Next, we will generate the key file. For all keys lost programming, you can select any one of the 8 keys. Successfully generate the key file. Step 3. Reset version BE. Key data. Tap Help to view the wiring diagram. We need to connect the C404 module again. Insert the key into the infrared keyhole of the C404 as prompted by the device. Key reset version successfully. Step 4. Read key info. The key still needs to be inserted into the infrared keyhole of the C404. This indicates the key has been reset. Version successfully. Step 5. Write B key data. Follow the prompts to place the Mercedes-Benz key into the infrared keyhole of the C404. Select the key file just generated. File written successfully. Step 6. Examine car key. Follow the device prompts to place the key into the EIS. Follow the device prompts for insertion and removal operations. The device prompt indicates that the current key programming was successful. That's all about how to operate the all keys lost programming function for the Mercedes-Benz W169 EIS. See you next time.